This procedure covers epoxy mixing and handling. The epoxy covered by this procedure has multiple uses, including solder mask repair, baseboard repair, circuitry overcoating, and delamination repair. For high-strength or high-temperature applications, two-part epoxies will generally have the best properties. The minimum skill level needed to complete this procedure reliably is intermediate. The conformance level reached when this procedure is completed properly is high. The epoxy referenced in this procedure is a pre-packaged two-component material containing a resin and hardener. Once cured, this epoxy is well suited to various circuit board applications. The area where the epoxy is to be applied should be prepared prior to mixing the epoxy. This preparation may include preheating the affected area to improve absorption of the applied epoxy. The entire circuit board may also be heated in an oven or with a heat lamp. To complete this procedure, you will need the following tools and materials. Alcohol swabs. These are self-saturating disposable foam swabs filled with isopropyl alcohol. They're ideal for removing flux residue and cleaning surfaces prior to soldering, coating, and application of epoxy. Cleaner. A general-purpose solvent for manually removing fluxes and contamination. Cleaning brushes. These disposable brushes are primarily used with solvents for cleaning. Color agents. Color agents are used to tint the color of epoxy used for solder mask repair or circuit baseboard repair. Color agents can also be applied directly to a circuit board surface for color matching. Epoxy. The best epoxy for circuit board work is clear with low viscosity and super strength. The epoxy shown is precisely measured into two-compartment plastic packages, so it's easy to use and there's no measuring. Foam swabs. These disposable swabs are ideal for absorbing cleaning solvents and for applying color agents and epoxies. Oven. A general-purpose oven for drying, baking, and curing. Wipes. Non-abrasive, low-linting wipes for cleanup. The procedure using a two-component pre-packaged epoxy follows. Step 1. Remove the clips separating the resin and hardener. Mix by squeezing both halves together. Mix for at least 1 minute to ensure a complete mix of the resin and activator. Step 2. Cut open one end of the epoxy package and squeeze the contents into a mixing cup. Mix again with a mixing stick to ensure a thorough mixing of the resin and hardener. For bubble-free epoxy, remove the clips separating the resin and hardener. Cut open one end of the epoxy tube and squeeze the contents into a mixing cup. Slowly stir the mixture with the mixing stick. Be sure to stir the mixture for at least 2 minutes to ensure that all the resin and hardener have completely mixed. Step 3. If needed, add color agent to the mixed epoxy. Stir slowly to prevent bubbles. Step 4. Apply or use as needed. Step 5. Cure the epoxy per the manufacturer's recommendation. If you need further help and prefer to send your circuit boards out for repair or rework, contact Circuit Technology Center. If you wish to purchase the tools and materials needed to complete this procedure at your facility, contact Circuit Medic.